Hi guys, so here's my beautiful Mini Drak. I just got a little bit of damage here on the wingtip from a failed launch. So I'll show you how to fix it. So obviously this is boiling water. I'll just dip in the damaged wingtip. Because the foam is an insulator, it takes quite a while for the heat to get into the foam. Yeah, that looks about right. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, and here's something totally different. This is usually not my cup of tea, but here's an EFX racer from Hobby King. So I got 1.3 GHz video, Fox 800 transmitter, singularity antenna, Fox Air camera, and Dragon Link. Thanks again for watching.